Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to make connection to the MySQL database using Python technology. For that purpose, I am supposed to make use of MySQL connector package. To do that, I will simply call here import keyword. Then I will call MySQL package dot connector package. Now I will declare one variable here, that is mycon. I will assume this variable for the database connectivity. Here I will assign the connect properties value to this variable. So to do that, I will declare here assignment operator. Then again I will call MySQL package, then connector package which is present in MySQL package, and now I will call connect function present in MySQL package. In this connect function, I am supposed to pass three arguments. First argument is host. Here I need to mention my host name, and to make database connection to the MySQL database, here I will write my host name is localhost. Then my next argument is username. So to make connection to the MySQL database, here my username is root, so I will write here root, and third argument would be password. I haven't set any kind of password to connect to the MySQL database, so that's why I will keep this field blank. Now I will create the variable for cursor. So I have declared here one variable cur, and I will call cursor function using mycon variable, mycon dot cursor function. So I have called here connect function, and I have passed three important parameters, that is localhost, username, and password, that is blank, and I have assigned all these values to the mycon variable, and using this mycon variable I have called the cursor function, and whatever the value written by this function I have stored in it cur variable. Now I will make use of try exception. So in Python, how try exception is executed, here I will write keyword try, then colon. Now I will declare one variable here dbs equal to cur dot execute. I will call here method name execute. So to do that, I have made use of cur. Here I will pass parameter. I will pass one string parameter show databases. Whatever the databases that I have created in MySQL databases, so that will get displayed once the connection is get successfully established. Then next is I will call here accept keyword, and here if somehow their error is generated while making or while establishing connection to the database, so for that purpose I must throw the exception. And what I will do, again I will call here mycon variable, and I will call here rollback function. So now to see how many databases are present in MySQL database once connection has been successfully established. So to display all the database that is present in MySQL database, I will simply make use of for loop in Python. So I will declare here for loop, and one variable name is x variable. I will call here in operator. Now where I would get the list of all my database, the list would be present in this cur variable. So again I will call here cur variable, and inside the for loop scope I will simply call print function to see how many databases are present in MySQL database, and I have passed here x variable that I had declared over here. Then later on I am supposed to close the connection that is established. So to do that, again I will make use of mycon variable that I have initially created, and with the help of mycon variable I will call the close function. So after displaying the total number of database that are the present in my database, later on the connection will get closed. I will run this database connect file. So here I have got error. So here I forget to mention start the localhost and MySQL database. So I will open here XAMPP control panel. I will start this localhost, that is Apache server, and MySQL database phpMyAdmin. Now I have started all these things, and now I will again run this file. So see, the connection has been successfully established, and these are the list of the database present in my MySQL database. First one is information underscore schema, second one is MySQL performance schema, later on is phpMyAdmin, and last one is test. So this is the way to establish the connection to the MySQL database using Python technology. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. If you really like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit like button for this video. Thank you so much everyone.